Here we are walking through All American Auto Records for the first time. Give you people a glance of what's going on in this joint. Okay, here's all our rim racks. We have 2 or 3 of those. Very caged for when one of the guys ain't doing the right job. You stick them in there for a little while. Here we go. Coming out into the main yard. To the left and right is hoods and deck lids that we stock. Just some of them that we have. We have a couple of racks of those on both sides. Get out into the main yard. You can see some of our rear end trees. Behind those are the bumper racks. Then we start going with the door racks. Some more rear end trees. Very small portion of the tire racks. Then you got the containers and all the dismantling areas. We just did all of those. Right there, nice big dismantling area. That's number 1 pad there. Then you get the bigger one. It's just done. Some of the noses and clips on top of the roofs. One of our machines. There's another one of our rear end trees right here. Big one. Frames and sway bars to the right. Water bottles. Inside the containers are engines, transmissions, which are all stored indoors. Upper control arms. The new racking in there is going to be used for washer bottles, radiator bottles. Here's one of the containers in here. You have all your spindles. This is 40 foot. On one side, and on the opposite side some more spindles, and on the upper half of the racks are speedos or clusters, whatever you want to call them. You got some power racks, wiper transmissions, timing covers. You go into another one of our boxes and little headlights, marker lights on the bottom, all that kind of stuff. Here is our cowl vents, cowl screens, and some of our suspensions. Another one of our big machines. Some more cars. We got some deck lids in the back, some clip racks. Up on the top next door is all our glass. You can see it up there on top of the containers. Some more noses and clips. Here's the back part of the yard is pretty much our door racks, more door racks I should say, hood racks. Go to the left and right. Some more containers back here, and these containers is cylinder heads, all down to one side. Okay, and on the opposite side is all our struts. That's another 40-foot container. And one of our other boxes that don't want to open at the moment, and I ain't gonna break my horns doing it. Okay, here we got some cut off noses, clips, quarter panels, whole clip of the car, some truck beds, so on and so forth. Small section of cars over here, just the cars that we line up in the driveway. These cars are basically going to be going to the pad shortly. Either one of them to be dismantled. And here is our exhaust manifolds. Exhaust manifold racks all inside. Which is pretty cool. Good job the guys did on building these racks. And here is some more differentials at the top, some differentials and transmissions, motors at the bottom, all indoor storage for those. We also have 2 more 40-foot containers full of those. As I said before, there's our frame racks up on the top row of sway bars, so on and so forth.